Hello, 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 hello. Trader Cat, what's going on? We're gonna crash and gap down, or is the market going to ignore this war? I do not know. Let's make $200 for each XFA and pull out 8,900. All right, man, let's do it. What's going on, Smokey? Happy Father's Day, everyone. What's up, Mad Max? Thank you. Hey, Johnny FX, what's happening? What's going on? What's going on? We gotta plug my phone in here. Should be easy. Just hit 4-point scalp with 3 cons. Hey, Dubs Trader, what's up? Yeah, man. Sitting at 14,534 and 11,245. So I did roll over to the new contract. I'm so dumb. I accidentally bought a SPY put 4:15 p.m. Oh, one day to expire, man. I made a big boo-boo. Yeah, possibly. Trader Cat. I had my biggest losing day ever on a SPY call. 30K. Real money. Didn't know what I was doing. Stupid. Keegan, what's up? Happy Father's Day. TJP. Hey, Yoma, what's going on? Thank you, Yoma. I told God if he saves me, I'll never trade options again and stick to futures. Yeah, I hear you. I haven't touched options since, and but I'm anxious to learn some spreads strat, so we'll see. Past your bedtime, Yoma. Crazy, I lost 70K in 1 year in 2020 following people in trades on small caps. Oh yeah, small caps. That was wild and crazy time on YouTube. Everyone was trading small caps. Volatility spike at open. If you gap down, we may be the best out on 1 DTE. Yeah. I never gave up. We're up. Yes. Gotta be stubborn. Yeah. Sorry, Dad. Yoma says. Hey, Amelia. What's happening? Taking some time off from the charts. Yeah, that's a good thing, Yoma. Yeah, if your mental game is not right, you definitely don't want to be trading. Oh, you're just gonna take the summer right off, come back in September. Think he's gonna dump it open? What do you think? Hey, Corey the phone trader in the house. What's going on? Sauce the magic 8-ball. Do we gap down at open? Do we gap down at open? Let's shake the 8 ball here. Don't count on it. It says don't count on it. So we'll see. We'll see. Got to protect the 1 year Yoma? Yes. More war news equals dump Crypto King? Could. I'm thinking so too. George. Hey, what's going on, George? I'm concerned because it's if Israel market didn't tank, then U.S. probably won't. That seems logical, but who knows? Hey, Bruce Lee. Dubs Trader. Look, so far looking like an open around 650s. Woof. Could be wild. So I got some trade iffies I'm gonna work on. How to spend my day today? I went out to breakfast, and then I went for a little walk, and then what else I do? Oh, I went and helped my dad do some yard work, cleaning up an old pool. Helped him do that, and then I went and got an ice cream. Went for another walk. Watched a little golf, and now I'm here. It's a pretty good day. Hey, Dawood, what's going on? Gold and oil might, yeah, oil and gold definitely look interesting for sure. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Gotta watch Bitcoin. Is it tanking yet? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, gold and oil should be very interesting tonight as well. It should be. Hopefully we get some movement. I think that's just gonna. This is just gonna happen tonight. So. Hey, thank you, Oma. Hey, Jay Stores, what's happening, buddy? We went for a 3-hour bike ride. Nice. Yeah, it was such a beautiful day today. Mid 70s, light breeze, no humidity, no bugs yet, really. Yeah, I rolled over TJP on the Nasdaq because Trade of 8 recommended it, and it's already rolled over on the Project X. So yeah, I'm on the NQU contract. Hey Sherry, what's up? Good to see you. Am I gonna surpass Myth? I doubt it. I mean, we get a lot of concurrent viewers at night, but hey, his Royal Trade, Sandip, Design. Oh, is Myth on? Yeah. No competition between us, Yoma. Myth's the real one. Nothing but love and support. Sensei, Cove, Cav Trader. Almost said Cove Trader. Massive gap down. Well, the Magic 8 Ball says no, but we'll see. But yeah, I think we're gonna gap down. Oh, thanks, Yoma. Trade on Thinkorswim. I don't know how to roll them over on Thinkorswim, but I know with like some of the other platforms, you have to manually type it in. So you have to type in like NQU25 or NQU5. Yeah, that's right. Magic 8 Ball, one answer. It's that Temu 8 Ball that I have. Oh yeah, Caveman Trader. Gotcha. Caveman. Cave Trader. Alright. Pine, is there a way I can use Buellanox Project X and benefit from the live feed on TradingView like I used to do with TradingView? I don't know anything about TradingView. It's funny, people ask me about TradingView all the time, and I've never had TradingView. It rained all weekend where you are, Design. You blame June. Boy, it was so nice today. It was nice yesterday too, after it cleared out, and then it's nice today. Super awesome. Sovereignty. Hey, what's going on? Hey, Alfred, what's up? Good to see you guys. You guys are just coming in. Smash that like button. Happy Father's Day to everyone. I'm blessed to still have my dad around, so makes me happy. Hey Corey, what's going on? Been saying I don't use it much anymore, but it's kind of handy when it comes to analysis. Yeah, they say it's, some of the best people that like to analyze the charts. They love the TradingView, but I've never had it. Yeah, David Pesquet, I gotta flip for a few days. Hey Beanstalk, thank you so much for the happy late birthday. Got my laptop in a cave in front of a massive beach, Starlink internet. Just kidding, that's the dream. That sounds like a good dream, actually. It's a beautiful thing. With our careers, trading, you can do it from anywhere. With Starlink, especially. So, definitely something I'm going to be looking into. Starlink. If I end up doing some more traveling. Currently, it's summertime in Maine. I don't want to be anywhere else. I have no desire to be any place else right now. Hey, Waldy. Yeah, sure. So these yellow candles are inside bars. I trade off the 5-minute chart first of all. The yellow candles are inside bars. The purple candles, so the pink candles, I call them harami candles, and what it means is that the body of the body opens and closes within the body of the previous candle. And I just trade the breaks of them. Sometimes. You can check out the indicators right here. LDT inside outside bars. It's on the community indicators. It's all free. And EOTW, Ed of the Woods, Harami. And this is one of our subscribers, and he made this indicator for us. So pretty awesome. How many payouts have I got up until now? Total? I don't know. A lot. I haven't missed a payout month in over a year and a half. At least one payout a month or so. Treetop, what's going on? Ask is at 21,530. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm on the new contract too. Imagine summertime in Alabama. No thanks, Austrian Stories. I guess unless you're on the water or something. I reset my Buellanox, but it's not updated on my Project X. Should I wait 2 minutes to see if it updates? Yeah. It should be pretty quick. I've never reset an account I always buy new ones. I don't know, but I don't know if it's cheaper or to reset or to buy new ones. I'm not even sure, but yeah, usually it's really quick on Project X, like instant. So oh, the color. All right, big gap down, guys. Big gap down. Oh, my color numbers, I just have them white. And I don't know if they have the, I just use like the white, the default ones down here. So the white, the gray, the purple, and the yellow. I just use the defaults down on the bottom. Big gap down. Yoma trades. Do I have to pause my Apex account because I won't be trading on for 2 months? Yeah, I would say so, Yoma. I would say contact support. Oh, is a monthly rebill? Yeah, it should be pretty instant, David. Actually, I got rebilled today too, so it actually, yeah. So I got a few accounts too, so. Too smoky at 250 each account, shot 2 seconds, nice. Hey, John Walk in the house, what's up? Let's check out what oil's doing. Ooh, big gap up in oil, gold. Gold, not much. I don't know what it did for a gap, but big gap up in oil. Big spreads here. That's what she said. I'm gonna trade the micros because of the spread. I guess switch to the micro contracts too. ESU5. Dow's already switched. Okay, good. Big gap down. Hey, Zabak. Charts have different readings on TradingView. Oh, interesting. Too easy, Smokey says. Halfway through June, yeah. I went outside and sneezed, as Amelia said. Lesson learned. Just passed the top step on oil. Nice. That reminds me, I actually have a top step going as well. And even combine. A combine. everyone that went long with me is rich. All right, so do we fill this gap here? That is the question. Small gap on the MNQ, a little bit larger gap with the NQ. Hey, Texas Roughneck, what's up? Happy Father's Day. The spreads suck. Yeah, it's a little better on the MNQ. A little bit tighter than the NQ. The NQ is horrible right now. Is anyone else having issues with TradingView? Sabak is wondering. Dawid says no, Zabak. Smokey says he's rich. The spreads suck on U contract. Much better staying on the M contract. Oh, nice design. Let me check the... Yeah, I currently have more volume on the M contract. Currently. Rollover. Yeah, I'll for it. Your trading view is showing a gap up. Yo, Jim. No, it's not TPT. It was Tradeify. I passed the Tradeify and it activated the same day. So I don't really know. Like, I was shocked. I didn't know they had same day pass, same day activation with Tradeify. Volume and open interest is still leaning towards the June contracts. Yes. And on Project X, I think they force you to trade the U. I don't know if you can trade the old. Hey, Nick82. Oh, you hit 50%. You're over the 50%, yo, Jim. Yeah. I wished If Take Profit Trader had 1 day to pass, oh boy, that'd be awesome.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Currently short.
Order filled.
Off the inside bar here. See what happens. Short 4 micros. Oops. Get rid of that. Big bad bias, bearish bias today, Nick 82. Yeah, for sure. Project X are in the U's. Yeah. Asia moving today. Yeah, we're gonna have some movement tonight. Gold is probably gonna move. So oil as well. So there's gonna be plenty of action. Taking some heat. I don't know. I've been seeing it where we leave the gap, but we didn't really leave it on. I guess we left a little bit on MNQ. NQ looks like there's a larger gap. So I have a larger gap on the NQ compared to the MNQ, which makes me a little nervous for my short. Like the NQ is gonna want to catch up and push us higher. But inside bar. Trading on tilt, what's happening? Call me crazy, I'm in the 1 micro to all-time high in gold. I'm gonna hold this joker. Nice. Probably not a bad idea. What is all-time high on gold? We must be close, right? How long does Buellnock take to respond? Pretty quick. That's so weird that you got rebuild and it didn't activate, David. Usually it's like instant. Their support is really good during the week anyway. On the Sunday, I'm not sure, but they should be pretty fast. So I got rebuild today too, and they're already up there. The rebuild was Friday night. Yeah, weird, David. Yeah, well, hopefully they respond to you. Trade is not looking good. It's actually my stop loss, John. Just above that candle's high, that inside bar. This weekend was great. I went out to eat a few times. I went to like a little concert, free concert type deal at a brew pub. It was a lot of fun. For my birthday, went and hung out with some family, or they came out. Yeah, a lot of fun. Oof. I'm gonna close this trade. I think we're gonna push. I think we're gonna fill this gap. I think we're gonna fill that gap. Hey Tyler, what's up, buddy? What's going on, man? Hey, thank you, John King. Currently, M contracts have a lot more volume going right now. I broke my toe this weekend. That's always fun. I'm always injured. Going to all-time highs? I think so too. What is the all-time high? Yeah. Oh, I smacked it on the corner of my my bedpost. I'm really good at kicking things in my house, and yeah, my pinky toe. No, I didn't stick it. I'm just dealing with it. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's cracked. But I've had worse. I broke my foot playing soccer once. That hurt. But yeah, it is nasty. I actually took a picture of it, and I was like, oh, I should post it on Discord. And then I'm like, nah, I'll save everyone. No one wants to see my feet pics. No one wants to see my feet pics. Maybe Cove Trader, but... Yo, Jim, yeah. I get lucky, and since I wear fuzzy slippers indoors, yeah, I probably should start. But no, I kicked the corner of my bed, and man, I was making my bed and heard the crack, and I said, uh-oh. I did, yo, Jim, that was funny. Yes, that was funny. So, do we fill the gap? Gold, I bet is rallying. I almost feel like just buying gold. Maybe pull back to the VWAP, hop in long. Am I familiar with Portland, Maine? Yeah, John, for sure. I'm long gold. I'm on an eval too, Tradeify eval. It does have a daily loss limit, so let's see what happens. Oh, you planning a trip in the fall? Oh, cool, John. Yeah, let me know. Great seafood restaurants down there. Great seafood. Where you headed? The Old Port? Oh yeah, I'm only about 40-minute drive down the highway. It's pretty easy trip. But yeah, down to the Old Port. I gotta flip this Buellnox payout account because I'm gonna get a payout on it, so I'm gonna flip this account. Let's see. Oh, by the way, guys, I lost a Buellnox master account on Friday. I wasn't streaming. I did lose one of my master accounts, unfortunately. That's me flipping an account. The oyster farms. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of oysters. There's Jay's Oysters. That's a famous one called Jay's Oysters. I don't know if it's a farm, but it's a bar, Jay's Oyster Bar, right on the pier down there, the Old Port. That's a good one. I've never actually been there, but it's like a famous one. I've seen some famous chefs and stuff like on Food Network and stuff go there. And yeah, I got a payout from it, Amelia. I did, yeah, but the worst part, Amelia, is I was 3 days from getting another payout. Totally upset me, but that's okay. But this one is locked in. This one I'm not messing around. This one here, it's locked in at 54,836. This is day 8, and I'll make sure it's flattened, and I am locking this out for the day. Can't touch that one. Looks like Nasdaq's trying to fill the gap. There's the push, there's the gap fill. Possibly, depending on what we're looking at. Taking a little heat on the gold, but I'm basically using my daily loss limit on this account. I think gold is going to hit all-time highs for sure. Again. Friday was awesome. Price action, Taylor. I love the 25.2 minute candles. Yes, I love it when price actions like that. Friday was crazy. Yeah, it was during a Friday night. Thursday night. So it was Thursday night, that big move after I got off stream. I got caught up in some action. I did, Taylor. Yeah, I did for sure. So I suggested they do the wheel more. So that's more fair, but I don't know. Oh, MGC. Yeah, you're probably right, Alfred. Kind of scale in. Hey, Donna. Not my best day. That's all right, Taylor. It's all good. I certainly don't work for My Funded Futures, but I was happy that they had me on so I could just promote the channel to lots of eyes. So that was an awesome thing. Hey, oh, thank you, Taylor. Yeah, I saw a lot of familiar faces in there, so it was pretty awesome. Appreciate y'all coming and hanging out. Yeah, Monday when I went on, I was super nervous. But then the last 2 times I was on, I was fine. It's like as long as I knew what to expect, and then I was like trading, you know, once I started talking about the charts and then trading, I felt a lot more comfortable. Oh, Nasdaq's pushing up. Currently, Nasdaq's back to almost unchanged. Crazy enough. Hey, red candles, what's up? Yeah, gap filled. Crypto for sure. All right, let's see what we got going. Gold not looking too good at the moment. All right. Gold pushing down here. Not looking so good for our position here. I went in pretty heavy with one contract, especially with gold. Gold's what screwed me bad the other night too. I don't know why I'm trying to trade it. And also, like, I've heard Alfred say a bunch of times, like, don't chase gold. He tells Stock Tiger all the time, because I'm more of a momentum breakout trader, and this is what happens when I try to chase gold again. I haven't learned my lesson. Stock up with the apes. What's up? Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Happy Father's Day. Feeling blessed that I still have my dad around. And design tells me to stop trading gold, which Probably should. So I'm going to hit DLL on that account there. If it doesn't reverse. Gold is extremely petty. It will stop whenever it wants on you. Yes. Want to hear the worst dad joke ever? Yeah, sure. Send it. Yo, Jim. Why did the dad cross the road? Why? I don't know, but remember that. I don't know, but remember that was the last time I saw him. Oh, jeez. Why did dad cross the road? I don't know, but that was the last time I saw him. Jim Blob says. Look up the definition of a dad joke. An unoriginal, predictable joke, especially a pun of a type supposedly told by fathers. All right, bouncing off the VWAP there. All right. Not looking like it wants to hold that VWAP either. That's what I get for trading gold. Nasdaq, I filled the gap and they're just kind of sitting here. Right out unchanged. All right, stopped out. That sucks. Both the old Beal and Ox. Not a good start to the week. I think every trading streamer is on right now. Oh, really? Everyone is trying to hop on my time slot, huh? Nah, it's all good. Can't have that as royal trades. No, can't have that. All right, we got gold pushing down. Nasdaq pushing down. Hey, Spencer, what's up? You're shorting gold? Yeah, that's probably a good move. Yes, it is afternoon, late afternoon. Almost evening for me.
Order filled.
I'm long Nasdaq. Hey, Butch, what's up? Sean? What's going on? What's going on?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hey Juan, thank you. Happy Father's Day. Good to see you guys. So I'm on the U contract, Nasdaq at 21,846, filled the gap, and is sitting just right around unchanged at the moment. Really? I have to do KYC with Top Step? Can't believe it. Oh. Can't believe I gotta do KYC for Top Step again. I'll have to do it later. Juan, I do not know, but I know that Zabak was having issues with TradingView as well. Yeah. Still bearish, Nick? Yeah, probably good. Rec City time. Took my money and ran.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Long some gold.
Order filled.
So I'm in a gold trade, aim for all-time high with 1 micro. Sounds like I'm gonna be holding this overnight. This one's gonna be a long trade. Yeah, it could be, for sure. For sure.
Order filled.
Nasdaq's breaking out.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
I'm gonna flatten everything right now on, well, flatten the everything on Buellanox. Still long on the Nasdaq here. I just hit DLL on the other account, by the way. Trying to get a little squeeze going. Oh, nice, Alfred. Past the combine. Sweet. I'm nearly fully transitioned to lives. It's nice not having to play by someone else's rules. Yeah, for sure.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm actually adding.
Order working. Order working. Order working.
Well, I'm getting some
Order
lag.
cancelled. Order working.
Wow,
Order cancelled.
a lot of lag.
Order working.
Definitely has some room to the upside. We can make new session highs. We could get a little squeeze going. So you know, a lot of people, there's a lot of shorts in this market, so nice to get a little squeeze. We'll see. Risk off trade. Had to lose 7. I hate that. I think I hate that, Yo Jim. But yeah, it's a necessary game we have to play. What if everyone went long, no shorts ever? Possible inside bar here.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna flatten here just to see what happens. All right, little break at the inside bar here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working.
Got a massive fake out here on this inside bar here, so we'll see what happens. This could be another one. Because we are pushing higher, that's for sure. Have you ever tried the legacy chart? I have not, Nate. I think my brother used to trade that legacy chart. I can't quite remember what it was all about. You hear me talking with other streamers? Yeah, just said what's up to Myth. My boy Myth. I'm over there hanging out with other streamers. Alright, we are short 874. 875. Off the inside bar here. Stop just above that inside bar. We'll see what happens. Maybe make a run to the VWAP. Short the micros. The NQ had a pretty nasty spread to it, so nice.
Order filled.
Take 2 off there.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
My trade of it is lagging. Lagging. Bounce that support right here, Crypto King? Possibly. Yep. I'm leaving 2 on for runners. I got them at break even. We'll see what happens. We could make a run to the VWAP, but yeah, definitely a nice little support zone. Excuse me. Currently up 26 to 26,833 on this 25k straight to funded Tradeify. Yeah, $1,833 on Friday on it. 20% consistency. Gonna have to build the account up, but that's okay because they only give you $1,000 drawdown. So I needed more drawdown. So on day 1, I really pushed it. Should be interesting. Hey, Stargazer in the house. What's up? What's going on? Good to see you. Turtle time. Turtle power. I'll pull up my accounts here. I did DLL on one of them. This is what we got going. I don't know what these ones got. Yeah, I should get a we should get some action. Right back to unchanged right now. NQ. When I say unchanged for new traders, it's just right back at previous day settlement price. So it's essentially unchanged. I try to remember like that there's new traders watching, and then so we're throwing around these terms and people don't know what we're talking about. I remember when I first started trading, I didn't know what going short meant. I was like, short, like I keep hearing these people say short, like going short. I'm like, I don't know what this means. Like I could not figure it out. I'll be getting a TPT Pro back this week over my price tag, so I'll just flip the next couple of days. Oh, nice, Star. Yeah, get those TPTs, man. My favorite props. My favorite prop. Lodi, what's up? Do I only trade NQ? Yeah, pretty much, but a little bit of gold at night sometimes. I was trading a little bit of gold earlier, which is why I hit daily loss limit. Even though Design Knob keeps telling me to stop trading gold, I never listen. And then as soon as I go back to trading NQ, I start doing well again. Because that's basically what I trade. Nightmare on Elm Street, for sure, Zvok. But at least we're getting a little bit of movement. A little bit. And Lodi knows. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you for the new subs, too, over the weekend. I got a few more subs. Up to almost 1,800 subs. Going for that 2,000. So I appreciate the support, guys and gals. Currently still short the Nasdaq. These are two runners. Do have a bit of support here at unchanged. When did I start streaming? Like today, or just probably asking me when did I first start? I think about 4 or 5 months ago. Lodi. Yeah, like 4 or 5 months ago, I think was my first video. And it took like 2 months to actually start getting subscribers. For the first 2 months, I was just talking to myself. And maybe a few like Nate Honest Take, John, Amelia. There's a few of you that have been on for a while. Stargazer, it's pretty early on. All right, still getting that push down here. Trying to look. I think I started back in, yeah, 7 months ago. If you look here, 7 months ago. 14 views, 5 views, 10 views, 6 views, 21 views, 7 views, 5 views. So that was like the first month. And then all of a sudden, and then this 5 months, there was a jump. Right here, there was a jump. Asia markets, see? 1.2 thousand. So as soon as I switched to this time frame, I got the jump. That was the secret. This was like nasty. Just me talking to myself. So appreciate the support, guys. It's been awesome. Quite the journey. Quite the journey for sure. Pine making profits on gold, Stock Tiger? No. No, Stock Tiger. I should just take gold off my chart. I don't know if Stock Tiger's actually listening, so. Hey, thank you, Star. Yeah, so I met a lot of you guys through like 0 Day, like the Discords and stuff. The DGen fam. Do we make a run to the VWAP? So if you guys are interested in Tradeify, you got to use my link. And the default code. I'm really trying to push to get my own code. So if you guys use Tradeify, I know it's a pain in the ass to use the link. Make sure you accept the cookies and use code June. Not June, but June, June. Taking another one off here. Getting a nice push down. So if I get $1,000 in sales, then I can get my own code. So that's what I'm pushing for. So that way you guys don't have to use my link. So I appreciate that. I've asked for my own code, but they won't give it to me yet. Can't chase the gold, it'll wear you out. And then move in your direction. Yes, so pullbacks on gold is where it's at. Push down to the VWAP here. I'm only in 1 micro right now. So pretty much exit out of most of those. Yeah, yo, Jim. Problem is, like, when people use my link, sometimes it doesn't work. Like, I don't get credit. Wow, what a bounce there. Off pretty much the VWAP. But yeah, I can monitor it. I can see who's done it. Wow, stopped out of that break-even trade there. So, but a nice bounce. Yeah, unfortunately, Yo Jim, like, I've had people literally while we're streaming, like right now, say, "Oh, I just used your Tradeify link with the code," and then like they're like, and it doesn't work. Like I didn't even get credit. But then like Methodical Man, I believe, used my Tradeify link and it worked. Amelia used my Tradeify link and it worked. Oh, I appreciate that, yo, Jim. Yeah, I'm grinding. I'm grinding towards it. But I haven't been really pushing them much because they won't give me a code, so it kind of made me better. But I actually do like them, and I actually did get a payout with them in, let's see, April. I got a few payouts with them, and they are a good company. But pay out super quick. Not as fast as my funded futures, but they do pay out super quick. Checking my dashboard. So up 327 on this Buellanox, $509 on this Tradeify, and down DLL on that Tradeify. I'm halfway there. Oh, it's actually not sales, it's commissions. So I actually have to get $1,000 in commissions, which is not that easy. So I'm halfway there. I got $500 in commissions. They don't even let you withdraw the money until you get $1,000. So I've been grinding for most since I started streaming with them. So like 7 months. Like 7 months. Yeah, Methodical Man bought 3 My Funded Futures with Pine today. Yes, I actually did see that. Finally, my My Funded Futures link is working as well. Yes, that did work. Thank you, Myth. Appreciate the support. Yeah, 1,000 in commission is not easy when you don't have a code. But we're working there. Wow, nice push up by Nasdaq there. I am not live with Buellanox yet. Is anyone? That's a good question. I was actually going to ask this in the Discord. Is anyone actually live with Buellanox? No, I'm actually working on my 3rd payout on this account right here. I've gotten 2, and this is my 3rd. Or this will be my 3rd. So I've been trading this account since April 29th. I didn't think so either, Tyler. That's why I was saying, like, it's just like that. It's just like the what they gotta say. They have to say it for regulations, right? But yeah, I'm with you, Tyler. So I was just like, you know, because I have a game plan. Because if they, according to their website, their help desk, is that when you get the 3rd payout, then they start evaluating you for live, and then the way their live works is that they take all your master accounts and they put it in a live account. So I have a bunch passed, and then I was gonna like get real aggressive at trading the other ones, and then to try to get a good sized live account, but we'll see what happens. But yeah. Yeah, I definitely don't want. Yeah, I heard about that. You start running up to 6 figures, and they'll nix you. So no, I'm going right now. I'm just going for the max payouts, and then playing the game, and then just taking them for now. They cap the transfer. Yeah, that's the other thing too with my funded futures guys. Like, they'll cap you at 2,500 on the starter and the starter plus accounts for live. So if you guys are thinking about going and really pushing your accounts, make sure you have expert accounts. Just because when they made Terry Trades live trader, she went live with a starter account, and then but they capped her at 2,500 bucks. Oh really, Tyler? Yeah, I'm probably I gotta be careful too, I guess. I'm probably right about there too, Tyler. About 15K or more. I don't know. I've been at the profit split for quite a while now. So do I trade Apex? Yes, yo Jim, I do. I currently don't have any. I'm waiting for some 90% off rebuilds for Apex. Yeah, if you milk those starter accounts too, they don't like that. So if you earn and burn the starter accounts, which I was doing quite a bit, they definitely do not like that. You know, make the 1,300 and then just take out the 12. They hate that. Yeah, Tyler, for sure. Yeah, don't milk those. But I currently have an expert account now, so we'll see what happens with that. Wow, nice push up at the NQ and then immediately pulls back to the VWAP. Yeah, you gotta be a little careful. That's for sure, Tyler. I agree with you 100% on that. Hey, TCG Andy in the house. What's happening? Apex, yeah. Apex is close to my heart. My very first payouts with Apex. Back in the day. When it was good. Make 2,600, take out 2,000 out of a 50K, the good old days. But yeah, I'm currently waiting on some rebills. I got a bunch of rebills for 90% off my Apex accounts, but nice, Tyler. Yeah, awesome. You trading 20 accounts? The easiest payout to get nowadays, probably my funded future starter accounts. I think those are the easiest payout to get. Just because you need 5 days over $100, and that's it. You get a payout. Oh, nice, Tyler. Cool. Very bad, guys. I gotta use the bathroom. Alright, I'm back. Oh, Apex sponsoring your streams. Oh, nice. Why do you say go to expert on destitute again? Oh, I was just saying I'm working on an expert account to build it up bigger, so that way, you know, with the starter accounts, I kind of earn and burn them a lot, and I'm trying not to get banned from my fund futures for earning and burning. So oh yeah. So with starter accounts, they cap you at 2,500. If you go live with a starter account or starter plus, but experts they don't cap you at 2,500. They cap you at, I don't think they cap you on an expert account if you go live with a My Funded Futures. All right, breaking below the VWAP. Yeah, Tyler. Yeah, that's a trick when you're streaming. Like, it definitely, I definitely overtrade, taking setups that I don't want, things like that for tradertainment. I try not to, but like, you tend to like want to push the button. So yeah, just try not to feel the pressure to like try to like take a trade just because yeah, it's definitely tricky. They won't get in your head. No. They can just leave, exactly. If you don't like it, go find someone else's stream. But yeah, definitely, like I've had people come on here and go, is this a trading channel or is this a talking channel? I'm like, I don't know, I've already made 5 trades in 15 minutes, which is something I normally don't do. Usually 1 to 3 trades a day. It's usually what I do, but yeah. Definitely trickier for sure. It's hard to focus on like chat and the stream, you know, chat, the stream, and the charts. It can get tricky. So it's all good. It's all good. But good luck, sir. Pretty awesome. I will subscribe to you. Bang. Subscribed. All right, putting a little harami candle here, but we are just chopping sideways. The rate that's unchanged. So. NQ popping again, Donna? Yeah. Do what other streamers do. If people force you to take trades, ask them what they think and say, well, if you're right, then when they are wrong or nothing happened in 5 minutes, say told you and draw the line range candle. Stack networks, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, we have a really great community now. People in the chat, stuff. They, you know, I have some loyal followers, loyal fans, you know. And the thing about it is, like, it's when you're in a losing trade, you know, all the trolls come out. Not always trolls, but then when we're in a winning trade, it's crickets. It's always crickets. But my favorite is like if I go long, like say if I went long here, someone says, "Oh, you shouldn't have went long here," and then all of a sudden you hit a nice, 40, 50 points, and then that person's gone. They're no longer. But for the most part, our community is just great. I mean, I haven't had to ban anyone. I think I've only banned one person. Besides like bots, actual bots. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I lost one Buellnox account, Fred. Yeah, it really upset me. I lost it Thursday night after stream, and I got a little, not so much tilty, but okay, yeah, I guess it was a little tilty. But yeah, Friday it finished really well. During the day, it was a good week. Stock Tiger takes trades even though the audience begs him not to. Somehow he usually seems to pull it off. Very entertaining streamer. Yeah, I love Stock Tiger. He's the man. But yeah, usually as soon as I hop off stream, I'm hanging out with Stock Tiger's chat. Yeah, right back to the VWAP, just hanging out. Chopping the VWAP and unchanged settlement. That's pretty much what we've been doing lately. The last 15 minutes. The VWAP. That's right. That's right, 0 day. My boy. I gotta go out. Back out to Vegas. I gotta go eat sushi with 0 day. I gotta make up for standing him up last time I was out there. Oh yeah, Tyler, he's the man. So last time, Tyler, when I was out to see 0 day, or I wasn't out to see 0 day, I was out in Vegas a couple months ago, and 0 day Jay hit me up. He slid into my DMs and say, "Hey, I heard you're in Vegas. Let me take you out to dinner." Super awesome. Very generous dude. But I had a magic show to go to. And so I stood him up. And boy, he gave me shit for that for like a week. It was hilarious. So I kept donating money to his stream because I felt bad. Yes, gotta go out to one of those 5-star steak dinners out in Vegas. And Myth too. Next time Myth goes out to Vegas, he's gotta let me know. Go hang out. We'll have a round table. Never been to Vegas. It was fun. I'd go again. I'd go again. Planning for January? That sounds good. Yeah, man, let me know. I'll fly out. Stay at the Wynn. I like the Wynn. That was nice. Or did I say the Wynn or the Encore? I stayed at the Encore. Hey, Madam Maya, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Let me know when you're in Miami. Oh, I'd love to go to Miami. I've never been to Miami. I mean, it's an easy, pretty easy flight from Maine to Florida, especially in the wintertime. They have a bunch of direct flights, but yeah, Miami sounds awesome. I'd love to go to Miami. I spent not last winter, but the winter before last down in Central Florida, like Lakeland, Tampa, Clearwater, Orlando area, but I've never been south of that. Best move of your life, left New York to come. Yeah. Will I be the big spoon? I'm the little spoon, if I'm only 5'6". Yeah, that's right, John. Yeah, we can play tummy sticks, Smith. We can play tummy sticks. Market's just sideways right now. It's nasty. That will be the big spoon. That's right. Hey, Myth, do you guys win your game? Did you win that game against that other undefeated team? Oh, you lost 15 to 14. Oof. So is that you done for the season now? So Methodical Man is a coach of like a little league team, I believe, and they went undefeated all season so far, and they just lost, but pretty awesome. Yeah, done. Oh, what a run though. What an awesome run. So Nasdaq's at 850. I'm on the current contract, the U contract. I'm trading that one. I'm not trading previous contract. Yeah, they rolled over, but there's currently, I guess, more volume. I was looking at the volume earlier on the old contract, but it's pretty much even. Let me pull up the market analyzer here. So yeah, the old contract's currently got a little more volume, but on Project X, it already had rolled over, so I'm just trading them both. Some people don't really look at the volume, but I do. That's how I usually switch, but I think most people will be rolling over tonight. So I hope everyone had a good Father's Day. Like I said earlier, I'm blessed to have my dad still around. So spent the day cleaning up his yard, helping him clean up his yard. Boy, we're just putting in inside bar. Rami, we are just chopping sideways now. Possibly waiting for the old Tokyo Open. Market's currently down 18 bucks, 0.08%. Check out what gold's doing now. Gold's sideways. Check out oil. Oil gapped up big time and has pulled back. Still hasn't filled the gap. Very big gap. Looking like it wants to roll over down into the gap, but we'll see. Thinking about a little scalp long here, maybe like 10, 13 points, but I don't love it. Amitava. I just completely botched your name. I'm sorry, but thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. So my dad and my stepmother actually bought me a birthday cake, which was very nice, and had a Ninja Turtle birthday cake made for me, which is very fitting. 1984, I was born, so you know I was obviously a big fan of the Ninja Turtles. Never too old for birthday cake, especially Ninja Turtle birthday cake. Well, my dad has two younger kids, or I think they're like 11 or 12 years old now. Well, they decided to eat the whole cake by themselves before I even got it. Pretty nice, huh? Something that little brothers and sisters do, I guess. It's kind of cruel. Who's my favorite character? Donatello. Donatello. What about you? Thank you for the sub, by the way. Amit. So we're currently just kind of chopping sideways. That would have been a nice little scalp along there. Should have took it, but whatever. Michelangelo, good choice. Yeah, I was actually thinking, I'm like, you know, I need to watch that movie again. I remember seeing that movie in the theaters. Or maybe it was Ninja Turtles 2. Secret of the Ooze. I think I remember seeing that in the theaters when I was a little kid. It wouldn't have been the first one. I was too young. Fun fact, one of the writers from one of the creators for Ninja Turtles is from Maine. Peter Eastman. I mean, not Peter Eastman. Sorry. drawing a blank. Kevin Eastman. Peter Lard and Kevin Eastman. Kevin Eastman's from Maine. We don't have many famous people from Maine, so we always have to say, hey, call out the good ones. All right, Nasdaq's pushing up higher, 21,900. Can't have your cake and eat it too? No, I know. The pizza launchers. I used to have that the turtle mobile thing, and it had to shot out the pizzas when I was a little kid. Had the little discs. The purple one, Donatello, yeah, it's my favorite too. It's my view on gold, all-time highs. That's what I think on gold. I think that's pretty much what I'm thinking. Bullish, all-time highs. And also I shouldn't be trading it because I'm horrible at trading gold, so which is why I hit daily loss limit on this account. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna start calling Ninja Trader Ninja Turtle. Yeah. I think that's why everyone kind of went back in 2021 when I first started trading. Like everyone was like, you know, Ninja Trader was pretty popular, and I think because it had a cool name, Ninja Trader. Yeah, Tyler. Yep. Belanox has Project X. Yep, that's all I trade. I've just been trading all mobile platforms. I used to use Quantower a lot, but now I'm just on all mobile. So Trade of 8 and Project X. It's because I've been doing a lot of traveling and stuff. I like that I can just trade it on my laptop, on my Chromebook, literally. So yeah. You use iTrader Pro with TradeSyncer? Oh, cool. Yeah, they've had Project X for a little while now. Maybe a few months. All right, gold's doing nothing. Gold sideways. Nasdaq trying to break out. Oil's pulling back into the gap? Yeah, trying to. I never trade oil, so I'm just gonna stay away. But is X really coming to Tradeify in July? I don't know, Sandip. So fun fact that most of you guys know that Project X is actually owned by Topstep, according to. No, this is according to Matt Leach from My Funded Futures, but he did tweet that out. But yeah, I don't know if it's coming to Tradeify. I wouldn't be surprised. Nice, Caleb. $1,500 bucks. Just passed a combine. Congratulations, Caleb. Let's go. Nice work. If Trader Rob can trade CL, I haven't. Then so can I. I haven't been on Trader Rob's thing in a long time. Oh, he started charging for signals. Fred, I noticed that. I'm like, oh, he's charging for signals now? I think I saw on his Discord. If you guys want to join our Discord, I'll put it in the chat here. Boy, Nasdaq's breaking out now, guys. Nasdaq's breaking out. It's not as cool as 0 Day J's Discord, but I do have a Discord. Put it in the chat now. Pinned it to the top. Oh, day traders with Project X now, Fred. Interesting. Have I ever hiked to Canada? Yeah, pretty close. I do a lot of hunting up there, up in Jackman area, Rangeley. So that's really close to the border. Like, you have to be careful. You have to be careful, especially when you're tracking deer on snow. And yeah, you gotta be careful. TBT wants me to pay the activation fee, 130. Is there a token in the wallet? Yes, there'll be a token in the wallets. So when you go to pay, it should say credit. And if it doesn't sometimes there's a glitch. Especially if you pass on like Fridays. There's sometimes a glitch until Monday. I don't know why, but there is. Just got to grow that feet pick section. Yeah, Coach Fred. I don't know if you heard me earlier. I broke my toe, and I actually do have a foot pick, but I haven't. I decided not to put it on the Discord because it's all black and blue and nasty. I broke my toe yesterday, or at least I'm pretty sure it's broke. Caleb, yes, thank you. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Alright, get a little pullback here. Oh, we're expecting some news, 750. Let's check out the news while I'm kind of waiting on the market here. Kind of missed that long. It is what it is, but not much news tomorrow. Core retail sales, 8:30 tomorrow. I mean, Tuesday. Ooh, FOMC. Wednesday. And unemployment claims at 8:30. So Wednesday, FOMC, 2 o'clock. And not much Friday. Not much Thursday either. No, I mean, for sure. I've been trading since 2021. Futures since 2021. Actually, June. June of 2021, actually. So I started trading futures. Before that, I was swing trading stocks when I was working full time. And probably started doing that in about 2008, 2010. But yeah, and then I started with futures, day trading, with Top Step in 2021. That was my very first combine. So yeah. But yeah, I mean, if you got any questions, let us know. There's tons of great traders in the chat. Way better traders than myself. With a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience. So, and we got some very helpful people, so. Is gold gonna hold the 5-minute ORB? Is it the head and shoulders for the gap back down? That's what you're watching? Yeah, nice. Stacks. You don't have to be on the U contract, Caveman. You don't have to be. I am. You can see right here the volume is actually a lot of people are still trading the M, but on Project X it already rolled. So to the U, but yeah, this I think Methodical Man's still trading the M. Yeah. Methodical Man's still trading the M. So yeah, join the Discord. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button. That helps out the channel. It's the easiest way. Just besides being here, just smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithms. Appreciate the support. Currently down, hit DLL on one account, trading gold. Up 300 on the Buellnox. Up 500 on this Tradeify account. If you guys are interested in Tradeify, you have to use my link and then the default code June for the month. So the default code is June. That's how I get credit. They won't give me my normal code, which is Pine. So I can use Pine on all other prop firms, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Buellnox. Really appreciate the support on that, guys. I think Apex really shot themselves in the foot. My Apex affiliate is way down. It's been way down. Yeah, M is still more volume for sure, Coach Fred. Yeah, absolutely. I think it'll probably start shifting maybe after London. Thinking it'll probably start shifting, but I don't know. Nice, Matt. Doing your first combine on Top Step? Yeah, I still trade Top Step too, guys. I'm just not affiliated with them. But they are a good prop firm. They don't have any affiliates anymore, really. They have a few, but... What if we hop in on this inside bar break to the long and just keep pushing higher? We just pushed up. I think we try. We try it. Really tight stop. See if we keep making new session highs. It's a little dangerous with the Tokyo Open here, but I think we have some room. We're in 5 micros. This is your very first day trading, Matt? Futures? Where are you coming from? Forex or stocks or? Welcome. Options. Welcome to the dark side, although options is pretty dark. Options is pretty dark too. Thank you for the sub too. 0 DTE is dark. That's my biggest losing day ever on a personal account. 0 day options. That's why every time I see 0 day J, I laugh. Because that was like one of the worst days of my trading career. Almost knocked me out of the game. Had to go back to a real job for a while. You can be right and still lose. Exactly, always rise. That's what I had to do, Matt. I went back and started swinging some hammers. I lost 30K in one day. About a week later, I decided I wanted to do it again and lost another 30K. Real money, so 60K, and I went back to doing some carpentry. Not fun, but you know what? We're still here. We're trading now, full time, and YouTubing full time. Yeah, I just happened to was able to go back doing some carpentry, and I flipped some houses. I flipped a house. So I was very fortunate to, when I was working as a mail carrier for the Postal Service, I ended up investing in some foreclosed properties. And then on nights and weekends, I'd fix them up, you know, myself. And I ended up renting out a few single family homes, and then I ended up selling a few. And then after I lost that, I kept one of those houses, and I hadn't fixed it up yet. And then I ended up losing the 60K, and then ended up fixing up that house. And I just ran up every single 0% interest Lowe's card, Home Depot card, whatever card someone would give me to fix that place up. And then I maxed myself right out, and then sold that house, and that's how I was able to get back into trading. Yeah, crazy. Are you a carpenter for yourself, Matt? You work, you self-employed, or you work for someone? Tyler has a similar story. That's cool. Yeah, I think Fred, like a lot of successful traders, like, you know, have gone bust. So I listen to that Chat with Traders a lot, and I actually just got a new book. Let me grab it. Be right back. Ended up just getting a new book. Called Market Wizards. Unknown Market Wizards. So this is the newest one by Jack Schwager. So this is the newest one, Fred, I guess. Someone bought it for me for a birthday gift. So, and the best part is that Peter Brandt is the first one in here. The guy that was trolling me on Twitter. How funny is that? So, yeah. Oh, cool, Matt. Yeah. Oh, best loser wins? Yeah, man. Right here. Best loser wins. How about my shorts, too, guys? How about these shorts? These. Yeah, best loser wins. Love that book. I got Trading in the Zone, and then Trading for a Living, Best Loser Wins, Market Wizards, and The Power of Now. It's my other favorite trading book. That's not a trading book. I think that really helps you with the psychological aspect of it. He loves Top Stuff. Yeah, I know. Hates influencers. Do I know anything about the strat? Not sure what you mean, Matt. I haven't started reading that book yet. So Tokyo just opened up. We are currently in a long here. Looking to possibly fill that gap up there in 920s. Peter is hyping a new type of prop that offers $8 million in funding. Largest advertised price is $55,000. Oh, wow. Oh, nice, Matt. Cool, man. Glad you found my channel. Appreciate that. But yeah, Matt, I mean, NQ. That's what I trade mostly, Matt. Oh no, I think you said something earlier. Do you know the name of it, Keegan? Starts with an H. Trading is like eating sometimes. You know you should eat the whole bag of chips, but you do it anyway. Yes. 100%. All right, NQ's trying to push up here, out of this little consolidation range here. Your favorite book's the Bible? Oh, look at it pushing up. Let's go. Come on, 9:15. All right, pushing up. Here we go. 9:17. Head up to the magical 20s. Wanting to break out. Damn, you're greedy. I get a target up here at 922, but we'll see. I'm trying to be patient. Stop down at 891. I'm in at 905 off that inside bar. Currently about only about 5 points. We were up about 12 points, but stops down here at 891, just below that inside bar. 892. I can't really move it to break even, or we'll just get stopped out for nothing. But now it looks like we'll see. See if we can hold this 900 level. If you guys do me a favor and smash that like button, I appreciate it. I know it's a little tacky and annoying, but it actually does help out the YouTube. Puts me on people's front pages. So the cool thing about Tradeify, guys, a little sales pitch, is that I actually passed one of these accounts last Friday, or actually last Thursday night, just after stream, and I was able to activate it the same day. So pretty cool. It was a 50K growth account. So if you guys are interested in the Tradeifys, you can use my link. Trying to get my custom code, but I gotta get more sales, so appreciate that. And then use the default code and make sure you have the cookies on. I guess that's how I get credit. Also, My Funded Futures. If you're a new My Funded Future, is that sale still going on? Let me check. So yeah, it ends midnight tonight. So if you use code PINE with My Funded Futures, it's 50% off if you're a new user. So 50% off if you use my code PINE, and 25% off on all the accounts except the starter if you use code PINE with My Funded Futures. I appreciate that. And Buellanox, what you see me trading right here, which has been my bread and butter lately with payouts, still 83% off. All right, I'm taking off 2 there.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Stops to break even.
Order working.
It's trying. But yeah, Buellanox currently 83% off still, I believe. Double check that. If you want to use code PINE. Yeah, Buellanox 83% off until 6/24. So June 24th. And then 80% off. Taking another one off there. I just got one runner going.
Order cancelled. Order working.
I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick there. So we just got the runner going now. Nice trade off that inside bar. Oh, here, I'll let you post the. Hold on, Keegan. You can post a link now, Keegan. All right. Looks like we're gonna stop that break even on that runner, but nice little pop there. What was it, about 15 points on that trade? Not bad. It's not too bad. Still in it. Yeah, Keegan. Let's see. Guys, I really appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. Thank you for using my code PINE. It's Father's Day. I'm gonna go hang out for a bit, and yeah, let you know how this trade works out. But I will be back on tomorrow for sure. Hey CC, I usually I risk whatever it makes sense. So if I take a break at the inside bar, I put a stop just below the opposite sides of the inside bar. So whatever, however it is, I don't really have a set amount, but yeah, I appreciate you guys using my code PINE, Bulanox, Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. Use my Tradeify link, the one I'm trading right now, Tradeify. Use the default code, really appreciate it. If I get some more sales, they'll give me a actual code, which will be awesome. And smash that like button on the way out. I will see you guys tomorrow night, 6 p.m. Eastern time, and I will let you know how this trade goes. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna exit right there. So up 608 after I get settled in here, up 327 on the Bulanox, and hit daily loss limit on this Tradeify account, unfortunately, because of design's fault, because he forced me to trade gold. So I'll see you guys tomorrow night, or maybe some point tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see. Doubtful though. Trade safe for the rest of the night, and bye for now. See you guys, appreciate the support. Peace.